The city outside was a distant hum, but inside Lila's apartment, a profound quiet reigned. A single lamp cast a warm glow across her small living room, illuminating the spines of books and her favorite armchair. Lila sat curled in that chair, a mug of chamomile tea warming her hands, her eyes reflecting the lamplight. This was not a smile of simple happiness, but one of deep contemplation, standing on the edge of a new idea. The navy darkness felt less like an ending and more like a beginning, a canvas for her thoughts. She felt a gentle stirring in her soul, a quiet knock on the door of her heart. It was a sense that something more was waiting for her, just beyond the comfort of her routines. The world she had built was safe, but in the stillness, she acknowledged a subtle emptiness. It wasn't loneliness, but a longing for deeper connection and meaning. Tonight, she was ready to listen to this quiet call, to explore the feeling blooming in her heart. For the first time in a long while, Lila felt a thrilling sense of anticipation for the unknown. The whisper inside Lila grew into a clear, gentle voice. She set her empty mug aside, feeling the significance of a new beginning. Lila knew she wanted to give a piece of herself to the world, to be part of something bigger. With purpose stirring, she opened her laptop and began searching. Volunteer opportunities near me. Each search was a step closer to answering her heart's call. The internet, once a distraction, became a map to new possibilities. She was no longer wishing for change, she was seeking it. Animal shelters, soup kitchens, environmental groups, so many ways to connect and contribute. Lila felt wonder at the opportunities that had always been there, waiting for her. The spark of purpose grew brighter with every story she read. She realized she had the power to choose how to make a difference. The navy shadows of her apartment now felt like a launch pad. Energized by the promise of what was to come, her heart felt full. Lila's search was slow and deliberate. This choice mattered. She read mission statements and testimonials, imagining herself in each role. One listing called to her, a local community center offering after-school programs, workshops, and a food pantry. The center's website radiated warmth and welcome. Drawn to the idea of building something positive in her neighborhood, she filled out the volunteer form. Each keystroke felt like a promise to herself. After submitting, peace settled over her. The decision was made. Days later, an email arrived from Maria, the volunteer coordinator, inviting her for orientation. Lila replied with confidence, her gentle smile now full of joy. The vague longing had become a concrete plan. She felt a thread connecting her quiet apartment to the vibrant world of the center. No longer just an observer, she was becoming the author of her next chapter. The journey had begun with a gentle click. The next week, Lila entered the community center and was enveloped by warmth and energy. The room buzzed with conversation and laughter, painted in welcoming burgundy. Maria greeted her with a smile and a reassuring handshake. Lila toured the center, seeing people helping everywhere, sorting donations, folding clothes, teaching children. Maria handed her a burgundy apron, and Lila felt a sense of belonging settle over her. Her first task sorting donated school supplies with David, a longtime volunteer. David's stories about the children brought the work to life. Lila imagined a child's excitement at receiving new crayons. For the first time, she felt the direct impact of her actions. This was no longer abstract. It was tangible, real. She was a link in a chain of kindness, connecting generosity to opportunity. The burgundy room pulsed with purpose, and she felt its energy flow through her. Lila was no longer an outsider. She was part of the team. The center was alive with purpose, and so was she. She belonged. Weeks passed, and the community center became the anchor of Lila's week. She looked forward to every visit, each task bringing fulfillment, helping in the pantry, reading to children, sharing small victories. The spark of purpose had grown into a steady flame. Lila's own worries shrank in the face of shared goals and new friendships. She learned about her fellow volunteers and the dreams of the children she helped. They were no longer strangers, but friends united by kindness. One afternoon, a young girl gave Lila a drawing, a smiling Lila surrounded by flowers, with "thank you" in wobbly letters. Lila's heart swelled. She was seen, her presence mattered. That simple drawing was everything she'd been searching for. She had found her place and her purpose in these quiet moments of connection. The confidence she felt radiated quietly from within. Lila's transformation was gradual, like a flower turning toward the sun. Friends noticed the new light in her eyes and the confidence in her voice. Her apartment was still a sanctuary, but now a place to recharge before engaging with the world. The daily grind felt different. Her job enabled her passion at the center. Evenings once spent in quiet longing were now filled with peaceful accomplishment. The emptiness was gone, replaced by fullness and quiet empowerment. She felt more resilient, setbacks no longer daunting. Lila discovered strength in knowing her life had meaning beyond herself. Her confidence was unshakable, rooted in what she gave, not what she had. One evening, Maria told her, "You have a real gift for connecting with people." The words validated her journey. She was needed and valued. Lila was no longer the searching woman in the navy shadows. She knew what was next, more of this. Lila stepped into the cool night, the city alive with light and sound. The sky was deep navy, but tonight it felt like a comforting blanket. The city's colors mirrored her inner world, quiet peace and warm purpose. She walked home with a new rhythm, confident and open. No longer just a solitary figure, she felt connected to the city's pulse. Every passerby was a potential story, a life with hopes and struggles. Her work at the center had opened her eyes to shared humanity. The glow of impact radiated from her, a protective aura of light. She had found that true purpose is built, one small act of kindness at a time. Reaching her street, she saw her apartment's light, a beacon in the night. But tonight, she brought home a much brighter light, a heart full of purpose. She had found the best version of herself. Lila's story reminds us that profound journeys begin with quiet whispers. Purpose is found in simple acts of reaching out, not grand quests. We all have a light within, waiting to be shared. Sometimes, all it takes is a single brave step into a new space. Your journey may look different, but the intention is the same: to give a piece of yourself to the world. The world is full of places waiting for your unique energy. The glow of impact is a feeling everyone deserves. Your story of purpose is waiting to be written. Have you found meaning through helping others? Share your journey with us at storiesoflight@gmail.com. Let's create a symphony of helping hands together.